In this video, I'll show you how to buy Snapchat Plus with Apple Pay. To do this, first you want to head over into your settings and then click on your Apple account, so it's all the way at the top. And then from here, what you want to do is click Payment and Shipping, and then here make sure that you have Apple Pay as one of your payment methods. Now from here, go and click on Edit in the top right and make sure that Apple Pay is your main payment method. So for me right now it's PayPal, so I'm just going to remove PayPal. And you can always edit again later. And then after you have Apple Pay as one of your payment methods, you then want to open up Snapchat. And then on Snapchat, click on your Bitmoji in the top left. And then go to Settings in the top right. Now from here, you want to go and click on Join Snapchat Plus. Then click Try It for however much it says for you. And then there you can then go and make the payment. And it should then use Apple Pay as the payment method, since that is the payment method that you have added. So now you know how to buy Snapchat Plus with Apple Pay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.